Aquarius, hi! Aquarius people. Ang mga mahal natin na ano. Wait lang ah. Balas na balas muna. The deer. Mm. The ring? Okay. The roots. Wow. Okay. Aquarius people, hmm. Yeah, I know sometimes you feel awkward, lalo na sa dating scene, or you feel awkward sometimes, lalo na expressing your love to your partner. This time, hindi na magiging gano'n ka-awkward, okay? Hindi na siya magiging gano'n ka-awkward. Parang this season will ask you to express yourself in a way na hindi ka natatakot na i-express yun. Kaya napakaganda rin nito if you're into arts, Aquarius people, if you are planning for something na ano, na feeling mo dati, pag sinabi mo 'tong mga plano na 'to, hindi tatanggapin. Ngayon magkakaroon ng confidence na ilay yung mga plan na 'to, yung mga blueprint na nagawa mo. Okay? Nakita mo yung ano, roots ring, alam mo yun? Ano pa ba? The deer. I would interpret this as you might receive money from a family member, okay? Like or a friend na dating may utang sa'yo na kinalimutan mo na lang, um, magugulat ka parang bumabalik sila na binibigyan ka ng favor or binibigyan ka ng bagay out of nowhere. Alright? So, panggulat siya. Ito yung mga panggulat moments sa inyo, mga Aquarius people. Ano pa ba masasabi ko? Use your magnetic nature into expanding. Yeah, use your magneticism into expanding things. Okay, if you're into social media, if you're into whatever, um, if you're into acquisition, if you are planning to set or to set a deal or increase your sales, use your magnetism. Kasi for some odd reason right now, you will be like, wow, tang ina, ang pogi niya. Parang ganon. Okay, pero nagmura ako. So, hindi to made for kids. Yun lang.